Hey everyone, Creative Venus here, and welcome to another beautiful presentation design. And you can see a beautiful animation on your screen right now. So, without wasting any time, let's start. So, the very first step is that we have to draw this random shape, a potato like shape. For that, we have inserted this triangle. You have to edit these 3 points and make them smooth by right clicking them and click on smooth. And now here you have to just play with these nodes and draw a boomerang type shape here. Well, you can design any shape you want, but make sure the sides and corners are rounded, so that will make it more presentable, that will make it look more beautiful. Well, you can also use the curve shape to draw any custom shape, but I have selected triangle. It is much easier to draw a custom shape with the help of triangle, the kind of shape that we are looking for. So here we have created this random shape. Just rotate it a bit and duplicate it and place the second shape something like this, so that it covers around 60 to 80% of the previous shape. So the idea here is to create four such shapes. So we have applied here different colors so that we can easily differentiate between these shapes. So I've just created random shape. You can try to create different shape here, and you can, you know, design anything you want. Now I have duplicated it again to create this third shape as well. So it's a pretty easy design that I'm creating. I know when you look at the design it looks a bit complex, and everyone thinks that you need to have certain skills to design such kind of layout. But when you start drawing or designing, you come to know that it wasn't that difficult. All it needs is just practice and some commitment to create such kind of design. So if you look at this design and what I have done here, these are just three random shapes placed over each other, and we will apply gradient colors to all these three designs. So we will fill the same gradient color in all these three layers, these three shapes. Of course, they are slightly different, just slightly, and so that we can easily differentiate between these three shapes. And it will also give a very nice effect of shadow and some kind of depth as you are looking it from the top, that there is some shadow behind this first layer on the second layer, and the second layer's shadow on the third layer. So that's how we are trying to portray it and design it. So now as you can see on your screen, it looks kind of slightly 3D. So that's what we were aiming for, and that's what, like, I have designed. So now some extras on this design, like a small circle. So we will place 4 to 5 these small gradient circles here and there, just random. So these extras give a life to any design. Always make sure if you can fill some extras here and there to just complement the main shape or main design, so that will make it look more beautiful. So that's how the creativity is and the overall design thinking is. So coming back to the design, so I've placed these three circles. So let's place a couple of more, like here one we can place here. So make sure all of these shapes are of different sizes. So now we will place some kind of comet with a tail kind of design here. So for that we have inserted this rounded rectangle, and we will remove these two anchor points, delete point, and also delete this point. So now we have this comet tail, and we will fill a nice gradient color and place it at 45 degrees. So let's reflect it horizontally, and now it's looking really awesome. And we will place 2 to 3 more such shapes here and there, and then our design will be complete. So as you can see, this is not a very complex design. It looks complex, but it is pretty simple. It's a game of gradient and some random shapes. That's it. You have to just practice, and you need to understand the placement of things. That's it. So everything comes with practice. You will easily learn these kind of designs, and you can, take inspiration from the things around you, and inspirations are everywhere. Google is full of inspiration. You have to search. So our design is almost ready. Now we have to create a last shape, and for that we have to just duplicate this already available shape. Let's rotate it, and this time we're not filling any gradient color in it. We will fill a pattern. So we will select a nice pattern here. So I think we should go with like this color, this pattern. These are some line pattern. So let's change the color matching the overall design, and I'm just testing different patterns here, but I think this will look good here. Send it to back and slightly adjust its size and rotate, and this is the final design that I've created. So I hope you like this design. You just have to add some text here, some nice text, and we have to do one last thing before just finishing the design. Let's place a shadow effect at the bottom. With the help of shadow, it will look much more realistic, more 3D. So shadows are always nice. So our design is complete, and I hope you like this design. And I have created another variation of this design in blue color as well, and you will find this new variation in the template which you can download from the G Drive link provided in the video description. So I hope you like the design. If you like this design, please hit the subscribe button, motivate us, support us. Also hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and keep watching our videos. Bye bye, peace.